Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to go over the trade that I just took and kind of show you the elements to my trading setup. I'm going to show you right now the market is live and you're going to be able to see where I executed and the logic that I used in order to win this trade. We'll go here. You can see right here my executions. They go in and out of the screen, and you can actually see where I got into the market with these little markers that show up right there and right there. So market data is live. We are live, as you can see. It's feeding data. Candlesticks are moving. And what I traded today was ICT's favorite model, which is the second leg distribution of the market maker sell model. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit right here. You can see these are all my executions. We're going to start by kind of looking at how the daily candle is formed. We have this pink box right here, which is the Asian range, basically an accumulation of orders. And then we have all this through London. We had a smooth area right here. This is relative equal lows. And then below that is yesterday's low, which is denominated by the blue line. This was my target of liquidity. We're going lower. And essentially what you're seeing right here is a 15-minute time frame market maker sell model. So if we go to the 5-minute time frame, you'll see the original consolidation, a move back into the consolidation, first price leg, second price leg, a smaller one, and then a smart money reversal right here where this failed to make a higher high. And then you saw the first leg distribution, and on a 1-minute time frame, you had a small consolidation here, and then the second leg distribution to draw on the liquidity at the yesterday's low. So let's go down to a 1-minute time frame, and I'll show you what we're looking at here. I'll get rid of this, and I'll get rid of this. So this is that 1-minute time frame, and here's your smart money reversal right there, failure swing. And then this is your first leg distribution, your accumulation here, and then your second leg of distribution here. This is a very low resistance liquidity run, meaning that there's not a whole lot that's keeping it from hitting this blue line and even these two relative equal lows right here that we made in London. This is something that the market does quite often. It's a timed liquidity pool, essentially from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the morning, New York Standard Time, New York local time, sorry. You're going to see a liquidity pool created. If you're bearish, you can use that liquidity pool as a target in the morning session. So this was my target right here, and then it was really close to this blue line, which is yesterday's low. So that's ultimately what we targeted. You can see my exit right there, right on that blue line. So let's go through this. The way I set this trade up was I saw the smart money reversal. I got to my desk right as soon as this big candle was going lower, and I waited for a retracement into this area right here. This is a fair value gap. I've mentioned it a few times. It's a ICT data point or PD array. And I saw that the candles were not wanting to close above the 50% line, this blacked out line right here. All of the candles wanted to stay below that. So I found an up close candle and I entered on the up move of that candle. We also have a 1-minute candle right here. This is a ICT breaker, a breaker block, meaning essentially a market structure shift intraday. And this is on a 1-minute time frame. So essentially what you have is two data points that are very strong. They hold a lot of weight and they line up around the same area. So price is allowed to fill in this gap right here, this fair value gap, this orange area, and then it can continue lower. As you can see right here, this candle right here, this green candle right here, that is a bearish order block, meaning price can come up into it, but it cannot break that high. So I placed my stop above this high, and once I saw this candle right here, this is a breakaway gap, and I put my take profit right above that candle body right here, and then I just held it till it took my terminus or my ultimate take profit, which was right at that blue line. Once again, this is a market maker sell model. This is how I trade. This is how I form all of my trades. Usually they're very low resistance liquidity runs, and they usually come pretty quickly. You see this is a very violent move down, and now we're just kind of consolidating around this area. It had a data point that it needed to reach. It had a liquidity pool that it needed to take out, and we took that out, and it was a very easy, simple trade using ICT concepts and his market maker sell model, using it intraday on a 1 minute time frame. Enjoy the video. Hope you have a great day. Good luck and good trading.